The Smart Band 10 Pro looks less like a traditional fitness band and more like a compact smartwatch. It comes with a 1.74-inch AMOLED display, narrow symmetrical bezels, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. Xiaomi says the screen can hit 2000 nits of peak brightness for an easy outdoor use experience. Despite the larger display, the device remains relatively slim. Xiaomi says the tracker measures 9.7 millimeters thick and weighs 21.6 grams without the strap attached. The standard version uses an aluminum casing, while a ceramic edition is also available for people who want something that feels slightly more premium. The bigger update this year seems to be health tracking. Xiaomi has added a new dual light, dual PD heart rate sensor, alongside support for continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, and sleep analysis. The Smart Band 10 Pro also introduces heart rate variability, or HRV monitoring, which allows the wearable to offer fatigue and recovery insights. For workouts, the tracker supports more than 150 sports modes and includes built-in GNSS positioning. Xiaomi is also adding a new gaming mode that tracks stress and heart rate while playing games, shows progress updates, and vibrates when a character is close to respawning. After a session, the band generates a report showing physical stats collected during gameplay. The software runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS 3, but the company is also paying more attention to iPhone users this time around. The Smart Band 10 Pro supports Apple Health syncing, dual device notifications, and shortcut-style commands similar to Siri integrations. Xiaomi claims the Smart Band 10 Pro can last up to 21 days on a single charge under standard use, though enabling the always-on display cuts that number down to around 8 days. The wearable is also 5 ATM water-resistant and includes NFC support for transit cards and offline payments in supported regions.